Liquid silicone injection molding technology uses high pressure to inject liquid silicone into a mold, which is heated and cooled to form the desired product. Liquid silicone injection molding products have the advantages of non-toxic, heat-resistant, and high resilience, and are a flexible solid material. This molding technology has a wide range of applications, including the manufacture of automobiles, medical devices, daily necessities, etc. The mold making of liquid silicone injection molding is a key link, which must ensure that the mold has high precision, short production cycle, and long service life. Molds need to have high oxidation resistance, degradation, thermal conductivity, adhesion, and other characteristics. In addition, the form, structure, and size of the mold also need to meet the requirements of the product. The silicone material required for liquid silicone injection molding needs to have good elasticity, high temperature resistance, high precision, chemical stability, and other characteristics. Due to the low viscosity and high fluidity of silicone material can be quickly injected under specific conditions, so that the silicone material can be injected into the mold to form a preliminary shape, and then baked and hardened to obtain the target product. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. Welcome your attention, subscription, and consultation to get more industry information.